Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to safely eject or remove the Samsung T7 Shield SSD from this phone. So here you can see I already connect this Samsung T7 Shield SSD to my phone. So here you can see these are the content inside this SSD. You can see the USB storage. Now here you can see these are the contents inside this T7 Shield. Okay, so let me show you how to safely eject or remove the Samsung T7 Shield from this phone. Okay, now first of all we need to enter to this Samsung T7 Shield SSD. After this one, tap on three dots on the top right side. So here you can see the option unmount, right? Tap on this one. You can see it is successfully unmounted. Okay, so simply in this way we can easily eject others from our phone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.